So we're waiting on the hurricane. We went for a quick drive. Nobody's on the roads. Gas stations all closed up. We were coming on a Taco Bell run, and Taco Bell is closed. They got everything saran wrapped. You can't really see because it's dark. But guys, the storm's really not supposed to hit us here in the east coast of Florida as bad as it was supposed to.
Somebody's going through the Taco Bell line and they're getting tacos anyway.
So the only thing that looks like it's open over here is Checkers. Popeyes is closed. It's only 8:24.
Alright guys, we got $11. Let's see.
What do you want?
Hey guys, we're here at Checkers. Just playing. We're here at Hurricane Food.
I want $1.
1 minute, please. Thank you. What do you guys want? Mike, what do you want?
I want the you know that combo thing for the 3. I'll take one of those sandwiches.
Yeah.
No? Can I get the $3 meal with a checker burger with cheese? What do you want?
I'll take the checker.
What do you want?
$1 extra for cheese.
Hurry up.
I want the same
checker
thing.
burger,
Yeah.
spicy chicken sandwich.
I'll take the spicy.
No cheese. Let me do the checker burger and a spicy chicken sandwich with a Coke.
Did she
And $2 chicken boxes.
She minus the cheese. Did you minus?
That's it.
Did you minus?
Thank you.
Did you minus the cheese?
Heck yeah, $1 for cheese. I got a piece of cheese in my refrigerator.
She got a piece of.
You?
She got a piece of cheese in her butt, guys.
We don't have cheese at home, Lila. You're right. We only had that shredded cheese.
Guys.
What?
It sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Like,
Look, these people charge them $2 more for these 2 cheeses. Look.
He sounds like a vacuum cleaner.
Look, see the front. I'm gonna show them. Look.
Let's go, mamas.
Look, they charge these people. Wait, can you see
They
it?
record it.
They charge these people 2 pieces for cheese. Because they had 2 cheeses on that burger. Can you see that? Oh, Mom, what you gonna get today?
What's wrong with that?
Y'all. Hi, y'all. How y'all doing? They can't see clearly.
Oh, did you get the $2 chicken boxes? 2. How much?
Mom, you need that chicken burger?
Is there 2 sandwiches in there? And a chicken box? Is there to eat?
Ma'am.
Thank you. Huh? Did you look? Huh?
You got her, man. No, she wants you.
Hot barbecue.
Some nice hair.
Thank you. Is there chicken box in there?
She's so bad.
She got some nice
You
hair.
got your food? You got that?
Not because she gotta work. She don't want to be here. So the rain looked like it's stopping already.
Why was a high-class gas station?
Yeah, dog. He's trying to be.
Well, it's a high-class gas station.
So it was a negative. We're not going in. They don't have slushies. That's what is this, Wawa? So it looks like the roads are still empty.
Hey guys, here we are. We're leaving Checkers. We munched out. Look, we got the bags to prove it, to move it. I don't even know to stupid. But here we go. Here's another bridge. Look, this is the Lakeside Tavern, the Anchor Inn. Alright guys, that lake out there is like full of water. Alright, it's tipping over. You can't really see it right now, but it's tipping over. For example, it's like Louisiana. You know how Louisiana's a fish bowl? That's a fish bowl out there, guys, and that's tipping over in people's yards. Alright guys, I'm just saying, these people's yards right here, hurricane ain't even here yet. Alright guys, I was riding down the street in my Impala. Alright guys, right now, This is me, alright? And I'm crying because I just found a goddamn gator on the land. on the mainland. I see an alligator on the mainland. Alright. And it's saltwater. So that's the weirdest thing. Yeah. Oh, well, we don't have that much money, alright? So I'm just saying, if we had more money, we would like buy Cheesecake Factory and stuff like that. Oh, that'd be, yeah. I can't even say it right, man. You know I'm a broke bitch.
It's just like you're talking into
But
it like
seriously, you ever?
your recording just came out.
I deliver on DoorDash. I never ate Stone Cold, so that would be nice, man. If I could just buy some Stone Cold YouTube money.
So this is the worst of the storm right now. We didn't really get a direct hit. We fell out of the cone. So this is the worst of it right now. We're still out of school and work, but this is the worst of the storm.
Yep.
Which is not much at all. We're all very thankful for.
We got hit worse than this before.
Oh yeah.
So
We get worse tropical storm weather than this.
it's not really a hurricane, it's just a
Not at
storm.
all. It's just like, you know, we're getting outer, I guess what they say, bands from a distance.
But
It's the winds, the gusty winds.
I wish we would travel. But there's no point of traveling because it didn't really hit us as bad. But I want to just travel so we see our family in different states, right?
Yeah, that would have been fun.
Yeah.
But we got school and work to tend to.
Yeah, plus it didn't hit us as bad. So all the fans are gone. And guess what? We went to the same exact store but a different location, and they had not even anything. And then so let's go to a different location of the same store, and then this is there. Mom, how do you feel? And it's not even a storm. It's not even a hurricane.
Mike! I feel really frustrated because our AC is out.
Yes.
And we need an AC.
And it's not even from the hurricane. So it's like the hurricane did nothing, and this is what's there. It's like, wow. Dad, reaction.
What's your reaction?
Love this. Socks.
So
Let's look on the clearance aisle because they might have a damaged good over there.
yeah. So we're going. Ruben? No. Yeah, there's nothing. Oh, gee, is that grill $2? Mom, let's get this grill. It's even too good. Oh my gosh, all the grills are gone. Is it? There are no grills. Oh my gosh, this one's $0. This one's 5 cents. This is $29.07. Okay. Are you serious? They got Christmas things right now. They're like, oh my god. And you want to know how we're not lying? Because look, there is a grilling right there. There's only that, not too much. So, yes, this grill's $4.97. Mom, I found something. Come here. Mom. Come here. I got something to show you. Do you want a grill for $4.97? Why? So this is the sky after the hurricane. See, it's a cotton candy over there. You come right here. Yeah.
It's just absolutely beautiful.
I know. Let's check on that side. It's just dark, and then there's
Right
cotton
outside
candy.
the window. Let's just
And then like, what are you others?
I'm gonna take a picture.
I'm gonna paint this.
Justify what it looks like.
Exactly. So much more pretty. So yeah. Yeah, Michael's taking some pics on Snapchat probably.
No.
Which is so fun. So yes, that's the sky after the hurricane. I know it just hit recently in Jacksonville. And that's what it looks like, so crazy. Ouch!
If I turned it off real quick,
So that's the end of our vlog. We really didn't get hit by the storm. We're all good. We still have no AC. We're on the hunt for some AC now.
Yes.
The storage was pretty empty still. Everything's still closed. We're still out of school and work, but weather-wise, we didn't really get hit at all, which is a great thing.
And I love school, and they only have like their same Fridays, which is only 2 days.
We got a short week. We're having fun, spending some quality fun time together as a family, but overall, we didn't even get hit at all. We fell out of the cone. East Florida, I think all of Florida actually fell out of the cone. So it was a good thing for all of us. Kind of a scare to the state, but it's all good. We didn't expect, in Florida this happens a lot. 1 minute we have a storm, next minute we don't. So it wasn't really too much of a shocker to us. If you remember back in our first video preparing, we weren't really taking it too serious because stuff like this happens all the time
Yeah.
here. So
And plus it's hurricane season.
it is hurricane season,
already
so
prepared, kind of.
we'll be looking at this kind of stuff till November for us. So if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below.
And hit the notification
We appreciate
bell.
you guys being here. Bye.